In this video, I'll show you how to add a subtle eye glow in the free version of DaVinci Resolve using only built-in tools. Let's get started. Go to the color page and select your clip. On the first node, open the window palette and choose the circular window. Resize it to fit over one eye and add some softness so it blends smoothly. Add a second circular window and place it over the other eye, matching the size and feathering. Next, open the tracker palette. Select the first eye window and track it forward. Move the playhead back to the start, select the second eye window, and track that one forward as well. Now add a new serial node. Track the blue output from the first node into blue input of the second node. Open the effects panel, search for glow, and drag it onto this node. Lower the shine threshold, reduce the spread, then adjust gain and gamma until the eyes gently pop without looking overdone. If needed, lower the node output to fine-tune the strength. That's how you create an eye glow effect in the free version of DaVinci Resolve.